Welcome back. This week I have some sketches. You see me working on a layer here and just doing a basic sketch of an Eldritch Lich from D&D lore. And then I hide this layer and I start working on another layer with a different sketch. I'm just iterating over the Eldritch Lich concept and trying to make it custom to me, because I can foresee the Eldritch Lich becoming the next upgrade for my avatar, which is currently, I guess that's a Demi-Lich technically. And you can see me here doing the profile view, the back view, erasing parts of it, how they connect. I redo the crown a few times. I add stuff that I didn't see, like the beard and the beard of tentacles that it turns into. And I was generally just drawing this and hanging out with chat, talking about different kinds of anime we had watched. We're also talking about when, at what point rock music becomes metal music, and how different people perceive what metal music actually is and is not. Esoteric stuff like that. If you want to hang out with the lovely art watchers over there on Twitch, ask me your own weird questions, you can join over at twitch.tv/2wheelsandcoffee. And if you like this video, maybe give it a thumbs up. Click subscribe if you want to see more. Leave a comment, tell me what you think about the video or what you didn't like about it, so I can improve them. Because I was here on YouTube before I was on Twitch. And so if I can do something to help engage the YouTube audience more, I will do that. Anyways, thanks for watching. Until next time, take it easy. And don't do anything a lich wouldn't do.